Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Autoland North in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2015 ML350. Yeah, I should have known that, but you know. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go for a drive. This is a nice car, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is pretty sweet. Very, very comfortable driving experience. I mean, just listen to how quiet this is. That's one thing that's very impressive, is just how quiet they are. These MLs, I don't think this is the first one I've driven. I might be getting mistaken with a GL, but in terms of an ML, this might be first or second. Ride is very, very composed, comfortable, while also being sporty too. That's another thing I'm noticing is, you know, once you hit that accelerator pedal and start taking some corners, this thing's pretty fun to drive. Yeah, see, it's ample power. Good old NAV6, can't beat them. shifts are super smooth. I mean, one thing I've learned driving more and more cars is the transmission experience is almost more important than the engine itself. So when you drive a car, if it's a bad transmission, it sours the car more than a bad engine. If that makes any sense. Because if you think about it, the transmission is what's taking that engine, putting that power to the ground. So if you have a 700 horsepower engine, but an absolutely awful transmission, it's going to be a poor driving experience. For example, the 2007 Lamborghini Gallardo Spider I drove has an E-gear transmission. I was stuck in traffic in that car, and at that moment, on the other hand, I loved being in traffic in that car. It was absolutely awful. Absolutely awful. That E-gear transmission in stop-and-go traffic makes you want to hate life. In this case, you have a good engine mated to a good transmission. It all suits itself very well. The three big components of a car: handling, suspension/handling, engine, and transmission. All together in this package work very, very well. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.